your video so many times from last year.
Do you actually?
Yeah, honestly,
right,
yeah.
I'll be on this one.
Yeah, we did, got it right.
Look at Rick. He's off. Captain Blackheart with Mr. Fish. Guys, we're still filming. Literally 10 minutes, nearly 11 minutes left. So many. I'll put that content over on YouTube as well, guys. There's a full video on YouTube as well. Even a little sausage dog there. Wow. Hello. There's the lady in the purple.
You see Captain Jack?
No. Where is he?
You removed him on an island.
There are some fantastic looking guys here as well. It's not just all the ladies and the wenches who look amazing, of course. But some of the men's attire is outstanding. There's been some brilliant dogs as well. I haven't seen a cat yet. We've seen a live crow. I think they're coming around again almost. Look at that massive dog here. Nice Peter Pan. Walking on. Brilliant looking Peter Pan. Oh, with Tinkerbell on his arm. He's got Tinkerbell on his arm. That's me. Miss me. That's me. Looks good. Sorry.
I think that's better. Quite big difference during the two. So that was how you make it. It's alright.
And the harlots, and all the little rook rats, and the powder monkeys, and the gold rats, and the mermaids, and the welcome to Brixham Pirate
guys,
Festival
let's walk through the
2025.
See who we can bump into. Let's walk through, guys.
If you haven't got one yet, grab yourself a map. It's on the red information desk over here. Tell you who, what, when goes on, and what times and things like that. Just be mindful of guys. We've got a skirmish, big pack stands and things like that, just so you're ready for that.
See that in next
Also,
on this
don't
dog there.
forget the sunscreen, because we've got-
Get yourself a drink, guys. And the boys at Liberties.
I'll put a shank. We've got a little lost pirate here. Right. As I said, on the map it gives directions.
Very catchy song. Very catchy. Let's get a little walk around, guys. What we want to do is try and find Captain Blackheart Brixham.
in the harbour.
That's what we want to try and do, is find Captain Blackheart. We're out of it a bit here. Come on, let's have a mooch round. See if we can find anything that looks amazingly good. Like amazingly good. Wedges.
On the hard surfaces, it makes it coarse.
Maybe.
Last year we come up here, especially on this end, and we bumped into Captain Blackheart. So hopefully it'll be up here again. Barbecue vibes. Last year, oh, this is the collection in purple. Woohoo!
Oh yeah, you did, mate. I've watched your video so many times from last year.
You right today?
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
I'll be on this one.
Yeah, we did. Got it right.
Right. You good lady friend?
Yeah, Miss Ask Michelle.
Hi.
Can you just do that?
Yeah,
Just press that button there.
Yeah, yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you.
No worries.
Thanks for doing your video last year.
No worries, I'll put it on later today.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day, guys. See ya. I'm sorry. Alright, look at Rick. He's off. Captain Blackheart with Mr. Fish. Oh, he looks ace today. Good on you, Rick. Our most famous fisherman and pirate. Much known. Look at that guy. Looking very sexy.